Hi, welcome everyone. How is it going? Recently, one of you asked me to explain the difference between few and little, but I decided to go beyond that. I'm going to explain the difference between words used to modify countable nouns and uncountable nouns. The table presented in front of you is divided into two parts, the blue part and the red part. The red part is dedicated to the category countable, while the blue part is dedicated to the category uncountable. Notice I use the dotted lines on the left side and solid lines on the right side. The reason is because you can count exactly how many dots are there in each of these dotted lines, okay, which symbolizes its corresponding category, countable. Okay, countable means can be counted. You can count how many dots are there in each of these lines. However, you cannot count exactly how many dots are there in these solid lines, which symbolizes its corresponding category, uncountable, meaning cannot be counted. To kick off the formal explanation, I'd like to present you with a question. My question is, in this table, which two words or phrases can be used for both countable and uncountable nouns? Those two words are a lot of and some. Okay. Uh, when you use these two words, you don't have to think as much because they don't differentiate when it comes to countable and uncountable. The second point I'd like to make is the difference between few and little. The word few and phrases with few in it, such as a few and very few, are used to modify countable nouns only, while the word little and phrases with little in it are used to modify uncountable nouns only. Last but not least, a few is more than few, and few is more than very few, okay, in size or number. Similarly, a little is more than little, and little is more than very little in size or number, as you can see here. Well, that's all for today. Please comment if you have any more questions. Thank you for watching. I see you next time.